It's 4 p.m. on a scorching construction site, and the project manager just asked for updated soil volumes and level checks before sunset. In the old days, Alex would be panicking, wading through muddy field books, manually crunching math, and driving miles back to the office laptop just to convert total station files and open CAD drawings. Not today. Alex opens Office Pro on his smartphone. Within seconds, his leveling calculations are auto-checked, soil cut and fill volumes are computed, and total station SDR data transforms into a clean table right on his screen. He even opens the project CAD drawing without touching a computer. With one tap, Alex syncs everything to the Office Pro cloud. His team supervisor across town instantly sees the updated benchmark levels and project files, while crew members receive live site notices. No phone calls, no delays, no data lost. Before leaving the site, Alex exports a clean PDF report to the client, logs daily site expenses. The best part? You can get started for free. Most of Office Pro's powerful cloud workspaces, team collaboration features, and field utilities are completely free to use forever. And when your projects expand, unlock premium tools with flexible subscription plans tailored for you. Stop working harder when you can work smarter. Join thousands of field engineers and surveyors transforming their work every day. Download Office Pro today on Android and iOS.